The 2025 Alfa Romeo is finally here, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. With its seductive Italian styling and bold presence, this car is designed to stir emotions before you even step inside. The sleek curves, signature V-shaped grille, and aggressive LED headlights give it a look that's both elegant and fierce. Every line, every detail is sculpted with precision, showcasing Alfa Romeo's legacy of design excellence. Whether you see it gliding down the highway or parked in a driveway, it demands attention and admiration. Under the hood, the 2025 Alfa Romeo roars with confidence. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine that delivers a thrilling 280 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for lightning-fast shifts. And for those who crave even more power, the high-performance Quadrifoglio variant features a twin-turbocharged V6, pushing out over 500 horsepower. Inside, the cabin is a luxurious blend of Italian craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Premium leather seats, aluminum and carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused layout create an atmosphere that's sporty yet refined. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, combined with a responsive 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, brings all your controls and entertainment into easy reach. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an immersive Harman Kardon audio system that fills the cabin with rich, crisp sound. But it's not just about performance and looks. The 2025 Alfa Romeo pampers you with comfort and convenience. Dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and a suite of driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition make every journey effortless. What truly sets it apart, though, is the soul, the passion behind the badge, the way it connects with you every time you hit the ignition. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a lifestyle, a statement. The 2025 Alfa Romeo doesn't just compete, it captivates.